Peter? Peter? Where are you? Peter!
Hi, Luna. Thank you again for helping today.
Hi. Of course. I love spending time with Peter.
I'll be back in about 5 hours. Maybe 6 if traffic's bad.
No problem. Take your time. We're going to have fun. Hi, Peter. Ready to build something cool today?
Yes, a big Lego. A very big one.
Perfect. Come inside.
Call me if you need anything.
I will. Don't worry.
Bye, Mom.
Bye, sweetheart. Be good.
Okay, Peter. Lego time.
Yes, but I'm hungry first.
Hungry already? What do you want?
Toast with a lot of cheese.
A lot of cheese? That's serious toast.
Very serious.
Okay, I'll make 2 cheesy toasts.
With sauce too?
Yes. Your favorite sauce.
Best day ever.
You can start opening the Lego box while I cook.
Okay. Hey, Milo. Hello, little cat. Do you want to play with me? Good answer. Come help me build Lego. Do you like cheese toast?
Food delivery for Mr. Peter.
Woo, yes, that smells great.
And I brought your barbecue sauce too.
You are the best. Milo wants toast too. He told me.
He told you? With words?
Yes, he said meow. Very clear.
Cheese is not good for Milo. It can make him sick.
Really?
Yes, but we can give him his cat food.
Where is it?
In that bowl near the wall?
Can he eat with us?
Yes. Let's eat together. Okay, first bite. Careful, it's hot.
This is so good.
I'm glad you like it.
Let's eat and build at the same time.
That sounds messy.
That sounds perfect.
Okay, let's build.
Open it carefully. Don't break the box.
I'm opening it like a professional.
Good. We may need the box later.
Wow, so many pieces.
Yes. Step 1 first. Always step 1.
You're the boss. I follow you.
No, that piece is wrong.
This one?
Yes, that goes on the side, not on top.
Ah, okay, you're right.
I know.
Can I place this part?
Yes, but straight. Not like that.
You are very strict.
Good builders are strict.
I bought this Lego yesterday. I didn't think we finish it today.
With Engineer Peter, everything is fast.
Engineer Peter?
Yes, that's my job.
You are a great engineer.
Thank you very much. Done. Look.
Wow, that looks amazing.
Best build today.
I agree.
Can we go to the park now?
Maybe. We must ask your mom first.
Okay, call her.
Hi, Lego is finished. He wants the park. Is it okay?
Yes, that's fine. Just stay close to him.
Of course. Don't worry.
Thank you again.
Anytime. Good news. We can go,
Yes,
but you must stay near me always.
I promise. I stay close.
Okay, let's get dressed. Seatbelt first, always.
Done.
Perfect.
Let's go fast.
We go safe, not fast.
Can I drive?
The car?
Yes.
After you get a driver license.
No, the small park car.
Oh, that car. Yes, you can drive that.
Good. Can we eat ice cream too?
Maybe after the rides.
I accept this deal.
Good decision. We're here.
Park time.
Stay next to me.
I remember. Wow, this place is big.
Yes. Bigger than I thought.
I like it already. Look, the mini cars.
I see them. Let's go.
One driver only. Sit and hold the wheel. Ready?
Ready. That's me. I'm the driver.
I'm the passenger.
That was amazing.
You drove very well.
I didn't crash.
That helps.
Can we ride again later?
Yes, one more time later.
Promise.
Promise.
Luna, look. Colors.
Where?
That machine. It makes cotton candy.
Oh, wow. That looks fun.
Can we get one?
Yes, let's go. We pay with the card here.
Can I tap it?
Yes, go ahead. Now choose the shape.
I want the rainbow one.
Good choice. Press it.
It's spinning.
It's ready. Take it slowly.
Woo! It's huge. What do you want?
A pink heart one.
That fits you.
Thank you.
Luna, look. That man is walking on a rope.
Yes, he's a rope walker.
Is it dangerous?
Yes, but he trained a lot.
Can we watch closer?
Yes. Stay next to me.
I will.
Watch his balance. Very strong. Peter? Peter? Where are you? Peter! Excuse me, did you see a small boy? Yellow cap, white shirt, blue shorts.
Sorry, I didn't see him.
Did you see a little boy here?
No, sorry.
Officer, my nephew is missing.
Stay calm. We will find him. What is his name?
Peter. Yellow cap, white shirt.
Okay, I will search here. You go to Park Management. Ask for an announcement.
Okay, thank you. Hello, please help me.
What happened?
My nephew is lost in the park.
Okay. Don't worry. Tell me his name.
His name is Peter. Yellow cap, white shirt, blue shorts.
Good. I will make an announcement now. Attention, please. A boy named Peter is lost. Yellow cap, white shirt, blue shorts. Please bring him to the park office at the main gate. Write your phone number here.
Yes, of course. Please call me fast if someone brings him.
We will. Stay calm.
Thank you. Peter, Peter, where are you? Please answer me.
Hey, buddy. What's your name?
I'm Peter.
Are you here with family?
My Aunt Luna. But she is gone.
She is not gone. She is looking for you. Come with me. We will find her.
Okay.
Peter! Oh, thank God. I was so worried.
I was scared too. I'm sorry. I went to see the big ride.
It's okay. But you must stay close.
I will. I promise.
Thank you so much, officer.
You're welcome. This happens often here. We always find them fast.
Thank you, officer.
Stay close to your aunt next time.
I will. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, Peter. We go home now.
But one more ride? You promised.
Yes, I did. One last ride. Only one.
Hi, I'm back.
Mom!
Did you have fun?
Best day! Lego, park, cars, candy, police.
Police?
Small park adventure. All okay now.
Thank you for taking care of him.
Always.